Welcome to the TAMGeF Installation and Maintenance video guide. The required software that you will need to run and start developing the visualizer and the API is Windows 7, Visual Studio 2013, Qt 5.4.1, which installation is covered in the previous release videos, the Kinect SDK, the LeapMotion SDK, and the TAMGeF source code. Let's start by covering how to get the TAMGeF source code. The first thing that we need to do is go to the TAMGeF repository. You click on download zip, as you see in there, to download the source code. The source code is now downloading. You can see it downloaded, and you need to wait until it downloads and you open the zip file and uncompress it. I will translate because I already have the files and I will show them to you. This is what you will find inside the repository, and you can see the videos in there. The video will contain the previous videos of the previous releases. You can see how to install Qt from those videos. The Qt installation will not be covered in this video because it has already been covered in the previous videos. You also have a GitHub guide here. The GitHub guide will teach you how to commit and push to the repository. And now we go to the code. You can see all of the projects, the Kinect visualizer, the LeapMotion visualizer, the API, compile API, and the API project. We will start by showing how to run the API. We open the project. And now this is what we see. The API is very simple to get running. You simply need to download the repository and open the project, and then you can install immediately, modifying and using it, maintaining it. You don't need to do anything else. Everything is ready for you. You can simply start compiling and it will succeed. You can see how I am compiling it right now, and you can see it succeeded. That is for the API. The next one that I am going to show is how to get the LeapMotion to run so you can modify it. We open the Qt libgl project. For this project, you need to have Qt installed, but you can find how to do it on the videos of the previous releases, as I mentioned before. The first thing you need to do is go to Qt 5 that you will have when you finish installing Qt. Go to Qt options and check that you have that same thing as me in your options. You need to add the path to it in there. It will be a different path for you, whichever you have chosen. And now you need to make sure that all the options are exactly as I am displaying them right now. Now after that, what you need to do now is go to the Qt libgl and click Properties. You now go to C, C++, General, and additional include directories. You click Edit, and you will see that I am using an include directory from the LeapMotion SDK. To get the LeapMotion SDK, you head over to this web page and click that button. You just register and you download the SDK. You download it, you install the SDK, and you will get the SDK visualizer installed. You will be able to see this. That means that everything has installed successfully, and you will be able to start modifying the Qt libgl visualizer very soon. Now that we have the SDK installed, we can select the path to it. That's my path, but your path will be something different. You need to go to the include directory. Next thing we go is to linker. We will now click on general and go to the additional library directories. Get it. And once again we need to go to the library LeapMotion SDK directory. You can see it there. Will be a different path for you, but you need to include it. You need to now make sure that the leap.leap is included there. If it is included, leave it there. Now click OK. Now everything is ready for the LeapMotion to run. So click apply, accept, and now we can finally compile the application and run the application. It is ready to be modified, it's ready to be run. You can start maintaining the account now. I will show the application running right now. So it is running, you can see the hand, you can see the visualizer being displayed properly. This concludes this part of the tutorial, and we will go now to the Kinect part of the tutorial.
After you download the Kinect application that you can get from the repository in code, here you have the application. You need to download the SDK. The SDK you can download from the Microsoft website. Once you download the SDK to accompanying directory, you have two options. Either you have to copy and paste the whole path into the properties setting that you need to modify, or you create a system path and then open the application, go to the properties, C++. Oh, it's very important to select the debug. On C++, general, additional includes, edit, and you will see the Kinect here. The other thing you need to modify is on linker, general, additional libraries, edit, you will see the Kinect here, and include the file into the input, additional dependence. After you made all those changes, the application is ready to run.
Now that you have installed the API and all the visualizers and they are running, you are ready to start modifying them and maintaining them. Thank you for watching.